Exceptional, everything is perfect. One night, nice quiet place for stopover on the way south. Good value and nice staff. Well priced, clean rooms. Small but clean rooms, good value for the price. Close to the highway, with good secure parking. Staff was very helpful on check-in. Showers were warm in the afternoon, but cold in the morning, 6 a.m. Premiere Classe Sens Nord, Saint-Clement, a charming 2-star hotel in the heart of Burgundy. Welcome to Premiere Classe Sens Nord, Saint-Clement, a delightful 2-star hotel nestled in the picturesque town of Saint-Clement in the enchanting region of Burgundy, France. With its convenient location and excellent amenities, this hotel offers a comfortable and memorable stay for both leisure and business travelers. At Premiere Classe Sens Nord, Saint-Clement, check-in is available from 12 p.m., allowing you to start your stay at your own pace. The friendly and professional staff will be there to welcome you and ensure a smooth and hassle-free check-in process. The hotel features 78 well-appointed rooms, each designed with your comfort in mind. Whether you are traveling alone, with a partner, or as a family, you will find the perfect accommodation to suit your needs. As for checkout, you have until 12 p.m. to bid farewell to this charming hotel. Take your time to savor a delicious breakfast in the cozy dining area or simply relax in your room before starting your day. The hotel's convenient checkout time allows you to make the most of your stay and enjoy every moment in Saint-Clement. Please note that Premiere Classe Sens Nord, Saint-Clement has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be extra charges applicable. The hotel staff will be happy to provide you with all the necessary information regarding the child policy, ensuring a comfortable stay for both you and your little ones.